Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Landwu token. So recently there was a Chinese Pepe token that came out that was very popular, and that was PeiPei, P-E-I was the name of that token, very popular one. Just like how Pepe came out at first and was very popular. And then the Boys Club followed. So they had the Chinese Brett come out recently. And that was a very popular token. I believe that one was BUI, something like that. I can't remember. And then now we have Landwolf. The Chinese version is Landwu. And this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing soon. And we're going to go over the information on the Landwu token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So if you want to see how this token is doing, if you want to see the chart, the market cap, the price of the token, all the statistics, basically all the numbers, you can find this token on DEX Tools, DEX Screener. I believe it's also on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap as well. And you can find it on Etherscan. Now this is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. Name of the token is Landwu, and that is also the ticker symbol. They have an $11.6 million market cap, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Right now they have $490,000 in liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's great to see. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $887,000, and they're up 16.04% right now in the past 24 hours. So I mean, things are looking good for this token here. It was just announced on Twitter, on Bitmart's Twitter, at Bitmart Exchange. It says, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list Landwu soon. So keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. Now I'm going to put Landwu's Twitter right in the corner of the screen here as usual, at LandwuETH. So you can follow that Twitter, and you can follow Bitmart's Twitter. And in the next couple days or so, they're going to announce when the listing is on Bitmart. And if you don't have a Bitmart account, basically how you would get it off Bitmart is just download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store and get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Landwu when it gets listed, and then simply just buy the token. Now, maybe you want to get it before it gets listed on Bitmart. Maybe you don't want to use a central exchange. Maybe Bitmart is not available in your country. You can use a decentralized exchange like Uniswap. So it is available now on Uniswap. So you could fund your MetaMask wallet, your Trust wallet, your Coinbase wallet, whatever wallet you use. Fund that wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then using the contract address that you can find right here on their Twitter. You can also find it on their webpage, of course, which is also on the Twitter there. Using that contract address, you would trade your ETH for the Landwu token. You may have to set slippage. We'll try to see if there's taxes in the tokenomics in a second here. They have a gold verified check mark on Twitter, 213 posts. at Landwu ETH. It says Landwu, the Chinese alter ego of your favorite boys club character, Landwolf. Then it has a link to their Telegram right there, contract address, their webpage, landwoeth.com. And it says they just joined in June 2024. That's how brand new this project is. 2,728 Twitter followers so far. And then they just reposted the Bitmart listing announcement there. And they also did a couple Twitter spaces that you can listen to if you like. All sorts of memes, of course, on their webpage as well. And if you go over to DEX Screener, you could find all sorts of information. So basically this token just came out 10 days, 22 hours ago. And you can see that on DEX Screener. Now I do see some issues here. So in their audits. So it says here on DEX Screener, if you look on DEX Screener, now this has been going on. So I do a video on a token and I'll see audits, and sometimes audits can be fixed. People don't get that for some reason. So at this point it says 0 out of 100 on Token Sniffer. If you look on DEX Screener, it says 0 out of 100. I said that about another token, and I guess maybe they fixed some of their contracts because their audits will say here's the issue and it's pending, and then the dev can resolve it if they want to and fix the issue. But as of now, the Token Sniffer audit says 0 out of 100 for this token. So that's not a good score, just so you know. And it says here, Quick Intel security audit has no issues. So it says no honeypot, no this, no that, all good stuff there. Go Plus Security does say there's blacklisting and whitelisting. So there's a conflict there in the two audits. One says there is, one says there isn't. And on DEX Tools, it does say 0% taxes, so you won't have to worry about slippage if you are buying or selling this token. But besides that, their Telegram can be found at Landwu portal and has 831 subscribers. You can see updates there. So it says here, meet Landwu, the legendary boys club character, blends Chinese astrology, animal elements, and Degen culture. Born under the Degen sign and infused with the fiery spirit of ancient wisdom, Landwu navigates the meme world with cheeky confidence. Picture a dragon rocking a tang suit in the street style, spitting rhymes in Mandarin and English, and you've got the essence of Landwu. So contact emails at the bottom of their webpage, contract address, link to Uniswap, DEX Tools. All the links are on their webpage there, and you'll be able to find this token soon on Bitmart. So let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.